Important notice, this is a demo designed for clinics and individual practices. Hey, I'm Jessica from Dezy It Demo Clinic. How can I help you?
Hey Jessica, I was actually looking for knee replacement and I was referred to your clinic from one of my previous provider.
Hi there, I'm glad to hear you were referred to us. Knee replacement can be a big step, and it's important to have the right support. Are you looking to schedule an appointment with one of our doctors?
Yeah, sure. But before that, how long it will take me to recover and what will be the process?
Recovery from knee replacement can vary, but generally it takes about 6 weeks to a few months to regain full strength and mobility. The process usually involves pre surgery consultations, the surgery itself, and then a rehabilitation program to help you recover. It's best to discuss the specifics with the doctor as they can provide tailored advice based on your situation. Would you like to go ahead and book an appointment to discuss this further?
Sure. Can you find something on Tuesday?
Hold on a sec. I found several slots available on Tuesday, March 25th. Here are the top three options: 9 a.m., 9:15 a.m., 10 a.m. Do any of these times work for you?
I'll go with 10 a.m.
Great choice. Just to confirm, I'll book your appointment for Tuesday, March 25th at 10 a.m. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Derek Foreman.
Thank you, Derek. I've booked your appointment for Tuesday, March 25th at 10 a.m. Would you like me to check your insurance eligibility with your provider?
Yeah, sure. I would love to.
Perfect. I just need a few details to check your insurance eligibility. First, could you please provide your date of birth?
It's April 1st, 1964.
Thank you, Derek. Next, could you please tell me the name of your insurance provider?
It's Medicare Advantage 65.
Got it. Lastly, could you please provide your insurance ID?
It's DBC 7654321.
Thank you for the information, Derek. Just to confirm, your details are Derek Foreman, April 1st, 1964, Medicare Advantage 65, DBC 7654321. Is everything correct?
Yeah, everything is correct.
Thank you. We'll update you about your eligibility via call or SMS soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Derek. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.